topic of my speech is education. Education is a tool that helps us understand life. It is the tool that keeps us happy. Education can change one's life completely. A child's education begins at home. Education is fundamental right of every person. Education people make an educated society. Only educated person can take a nation to progress. In short, education is a key to success in life. At the end, I must say, जो पाया इल्म से पाया बशर्ते वो पाया फरिश्तों ने भी ना पाया.